Hare Krishna, ISKCON South Bengaluru Rajarajeshwari Nagar invites devotees and the public to join the grand celebration of Sri Krishna Janmashtami, the auspicious occasion marking the birth of Lord Krishna. The celebration will take place on 15th August 2025 from 3 pm to 10 pm at White Pearl Convention Hall, Papaya Chowdhury, opposite to Maruti Mandir, RR Nagar. The vibrant program will include Kirtan, Abhisheka, Arati, Prasada distribution and a variety of cultural activities for both children and adults. The event aims to bring together the community in devotion, joy and cultural unity. ISKCON RR Nagar is also conducting Gopal Fun classes for children and Bhagavad Gita classes for adults, continuing its mission to spread spiritual values and cultural heritage. Let's unite in devotion to celebrate this divine occasion. Hare Krishna.